I do hope you'll go from strength to strength in the future with the Prince of Wales as your new Colonel-in-Chief. The great thing is he's a very good pilot indeed, so that's encouraging.
Formal nang ibinigay ni King Charles ang kanyang mahalagang gampanin sa British military sa panganay na anak na si Prince William. Sa isang seremonya kahapon, isinagawa ang symbolic handover ng baton ng hari bilang Colonel-in-Chief ng Army Air Corps sa bagong heir to the throne. Ito ay isang posisyon na hinawakan niya sa loob ng 32 taon.
I did just want to say what a great joy it is to be with you, even briefly, on this occasion, but also tinged with great sadness after 32 years of knowing you all and admiring all your many activities and your achievements throughout the time that I've been lucky enough to be Colonel-in-Chief of the Army Air Corps.
Pagkatapos ng event, agad na sumailalim sa briefing si Prince William sa kasalukuyang trabaho ng Army Air Corps at sinaksihan ang training at operational aircraft. Pinulong din niya ang aircrew at supporting ground staff. Dito, isa-isa niyang pinakinggan kung ano ang ginagawang trabaho ng bawat isa. Sa huli, umalis ng base si Prince William sakay ng Apache Capability Flight upang mas lalo pang maranasan ang capability ng equipment. Si Prince Charles ay may malakas na ugnayan sa Armed Forces na nagsilbi na sa Army bilang platoon commander sa The Blues and Royals bago natapos sa flying training sa Royal Air Force. Nagsilbi rin itong bilang isang piloto ng RAF Search and Rescue at gumugol ng 3 taon sa RAF Valley sa Anglesey, Wales. Jack De Ocampo, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.